Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss,
Sahira Mahesh,
author of.
Apocalypse.
So how is it being at the world's largest book fair?
It's a very different type of experience, honestly. I mean, I haven't really been an avid reader since, the start. So getting into it now, it's actually pretty cool.
Can you tell us a little bit more about your book?
Even as a teenager, we have like a lot of different experiences and there are a lot of different ways to express them. And poetry was mine.
It's a poetry book?
Yeah, it's a poetry book.
Right. Do you work on all the poems like simultaneously or do you like go one after the other?
See, initially when I was writing them, I did not have it in mind that I was going to turn it into a book.
Right.
So it was just a way of getting my feelings out. So back then, it was like I used to write whenever I felt anything. Like I had to turn everything into a poem, especially pain and anger as like, a 15-year-old
Right.
at that time. And so initially it was like one by one. And then when I decided to turn it into a book, I started editing and re-editing all of them countless times.
But what were some of the biggest challenges you faced throughout that experience?
Thinking I had writer's block when it just was, I was running out of inspiration. It wasn't, specifically that I was having writer's block. It was just the lack of a muse.
But how did you overcome that?
I found a muse.
Right, wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. Congratulations on being an author.
Thank you so much.
Have a wonderful book fair. Thank you.